Alright, to change this transmission mount, we first have to unbolt these two screws. They're 13mm. Once the two screws are out, we now have to unbolt the mount from the transmission, and that is done by these two screws, but the crossmember is in the way, so you need to jack up the transmission for this mount to lift up, and then you will get full access to these two screws. So this is the old mount. Actually looks decent, but it's not hard or it isn't expensive to change, so it's good preventative maintenance. So here's the new mount. Visually it is a bit different, but all the mounting holes line up, so it should just pop right in. To bolt this in, there's only one way it really will go in, because these holes are off center, and if you put it the other way around, it won't. You can't bolt it in, but this is how it goes. And then you just start with the transmissions bolts, lower the transmission, and bolt the last two bolts. When tightening the screws, they weren't too hard on there in the first place, and it's aluminum, so bolt them so they're snug, but don't try to overdo it, as you will rip the threads. So once you lower the jack, just put in the last two screws. So when tightening up these last two screws, be very careful, as this is aluminum and it's very easy to over tighten and strip the threads. So again, tighten them so that they're snug, but don't overdo it. And that should be fine. And that's it.